Welcome to PlaySmoothPiano. This song is by Meek Mill featuring Diddy. Not P. Diddy, not Puff Daddy, but Diddy. And it's called Cold Hearted. The piano in here is pretty nice, actually. I need to go ahead and listen to that full album, that new Meek Mill that just dropped. Haven't had a chance to do so, but I've been busy doing tutorials, as you can see. But yeah, I will go ahead and give the rest of that album a listen to. Let's jump into this piano. Very somber, poignant feel in the beginning. What we'll do is we'll start off playing both hands. You're playing a B, D, E. Right hand is playing. So I'm playing an F sharp and a B. F sharp and a D. If you can't see the D, it's this note here played an octave higher. Finally, E, G, and then E. And those are our arpeggio. So an arpeggio is a broken chord, played one note at a time. In this case, it's from low to high. Left hand. And then back to B. So it's you'll resolve on a D, F sharp, B in the right. Next thing you'll do, so what I'm doing here, arpeggio, and a D up here, which is this D an octave higher. Play the arpeggio, then a B. Whoops, so it's arpeggio, B, D major, D, F sharp, A. Finally, play an E. Then resolve here, B, D, F sharp. Then play a D, or play a B, D, G sharp. Left hand is playing E, D, then a G, then an E. So let's do that second part. It's and actually you can play the left hand as octaves. So when you get here, once you do that, you're gonna play octave G's, octave A's, and then your the right hand is actually gonna play G as well, and an A. So it's that there. Then you lead into the next part, which is pretty much the same thing you played earlier. The right hand is pretty much the same, except you're gonna play octave, or left hand is the same, except you're gonna play octaves. So it's look at the right hand again. What I'm doing is playing this arpeggio, B, D, F sharp, B, followed by this arpeggio, D, which is basically D major, D, F sharp, A, D. Actually, I take that back, I lied. That second chord is a E, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, D. So it's last chord, E minor, E, G, B, and then E an octave higher. Then resolve here on this B minor. So playing that again. Second part of the right hand, pretty much the same. And then repeat. So putting the left hand in that, it's there you have it. Give that song a shot. If it's a little difficult, remember to play it slow first, then build up speed, and then you can get it at the normal speed. That song is a little bit challenging, especially during that transition where you go from here. It's all about fingering. What you really want to do is when you get here, if you can play this chord with your thumb, middle finger, and your ring finger, you'll be able to play this E a lot easier. So it's figure out whatever way works best for you. But thanks for the requests. Keep them coming, and stay tuned for more tutorials.